Ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ke college babhatam nagabanta ka jingkuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, pinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo India but shabari. Nabanta ka jingkuli ka jingsiyo ka parit but pila ban legu ban kuli da ka education loan, pila ro ban chukola ho number, kandai nyo saw san riu pranot, lani kandai pran riu laisan, arn riu kandai pra.
Unong alam ko All India Trinamool Congress u Dr. Mukul Sangma Ulong makinang Pynkhlaiñ Shuh ya TMC hakani ka Jylla hadien mikilamat ya jingsharem hak election ke barang sudap ulai thu badang sian kinong alam jong TMC kilesong Jylla ha Kolkata ban perkhat da kumno bagin Pynkhlaiñ ya parti mat nang ni sakhmat kin sedang terekam no shat u Dr. Mukul Ulong bakamlong ka besok ban Pynkhlaiñ ya seng ke badang thamai mat baro kitip hi ya kata Wala ki pajba kim shim lajit satya ya TMC bakan wan ha kabor sanchar henrei ulong bakin nang yai trei na bentau pajba bat kumjuru na benta ka jingki shaphrang jong ka Jylla bat kinyai pen sngoru shak sarkar ya ki babun ki mat ki badon kam.
We have met earlier after the completion of the election, and we also have interacted upon issues. We continue to do so, and our resolve to serve the people remains our priority. And to achieve that, we assume upon ourselves the responsibility of strengthening the party, the platform based on which we stand. So recently, on the 18th of last month, we had one review in Kolkata where most of us from the state executives were present, and we had had our privilege of looking at various aspects on the run-up for election and the resultant outcome of the election and the way forward. Today, this exercise is a continuation of this process, and we continue to remain glued to our focus and priority to respond to our call of duty. In order to achieve this, as I have said, we need to strengthen the party. Building a new political party always is a challenge. It is nothing new for anybody who understands the dynamics of politics. So, having understood these challenges, we need to see how the burden of responsibility will be upon all of us. And we continue to shoulder these responsibilities because at the end of the day, as I am saying, the priority is always for the larger good and interest of the people in the state. So we continue to remain committed to this priority to which we have committed. And issues are there, important issues confronting the state, confronting the people are there, and we are aligned as a party. Our party has been articulating appropriately on those issues and the stand of the party accordingly, trying to connect to the people to ensure that the government of the day is meant to realize their responsibility towards addressing those concerns and issues, confronting the people, confronting the state, and we will continue to